So what's actually inside a cigarette? Cigarette is not just paper and tobacco. Cigarette comprises a cocktail of dangerous, harmful, and life-threatening chemicals. We all know cigarette smoking is not good for our health. But do we really know what are the cancer-causing and toxic chemicals that are present inside the cigarette? In this video, I'm going to tell you what are the cancerous chemicals, cancer-causing chemicals, and toxic chemicals that can seriously deteriorate your health. So watch this video till the very end if you smoke or if you are planning to smoke. You should be curious to know what's inside a cigarette, not just because you smoke or you are planning to smoke, but because if you are in the company of smokers, you should be well aware of how life-threatening cigarette smoke, tobacco smoke can be. Out of 4,000 plus chemicals present in a cigarette, 60 are carcinogens. Carcinogens are chemicals that can cause cancer. Out of these 60, 11 are known to cause cancer in human beings. One carcinogen present in cigarette is benzene. It is also found in crude oil and gasoline, and therefore vehicle exhaust fumes also contain good quantity of benzene. Number 2, heavy metal and metalloids such as arsenic, which is a very strong poison, chromium, which is used to make paints, dyes, cadmium, which is also found in batteries, beryllium, which is also found in nuclear reactors, and nickel, which is also used in the formation of stainless steel utensils. So you can just imagine how harmful chemicals are present in cigarette, in a single cigarette. 3, vinyl chloride, which is used in the formation of PVC, polyvinyl chloride, which is used to make plastic products. Ethylene oxide, which is a man-made chemical which is used in the formation of polyester. Polonium-210, which is a highly radioactive compound and one of the world's most deadly and dangerous compounds as well. One of the interesting facts about cigarette smoking is we only associate it with lung cancer. But you will be surprised to know it is associated with at least 16 types of cancer. Cancer of mouth, cancer of throat, cancer of stomach, bowel cancer, blood cancer. A lot. 16 different types of cancer. Cigarette smoking is not just associated with cancer. It also causes serious diseases and health conditions. The harmful cigarette smoke travels through our blood to brain, heart, and every part of our body, causing serious health issues such as heart disease, lung disease, osteoporosis, loss of vision, heart strokes, erectile dysfunction, fertility issues. So there are a lot of health issues as well apart from cancer that you can suffer from if you smoke or if you are a passive smoker as well. Nicotine is #1 toxic chemical present in cigarette. It is highly addictive and dangerous. It causes tightening of our blood vessels, reducing the blood flow in our body, due to which oxygen and nutrients are not able to reach our body. Then we have carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is found in car exhaust fumes. Carbon monoxide replaces oxygen in our bloodstream. Another one is formaldehyde. It is used in the formation of glue, pesticides, and fertilizers. Apart from that, cigarette smoking results in the formation of tar, which are solid particles that gets accumulated in the lungs and are the residue of burning tobacco. We have ammonia, which is used in toilet cleaners and other household cleaning products. And last but not least, we have a long list of terrifying toxic chemicals like lead, acetone, toluene, phenol, hydrogen cyanide. It's a long list. I hope you guys like this video. I told you everything about the composition of a cigarette, how many cancer-causing chemicals are there, how many toxic chemicals are there. If you learned something new from this video, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the like button. Keep giving your love, keep giving your support. Thank you. See you next time.